lighting is not giving what y'all said it was gonna give. Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a misguided try on haul. You guys love these, I love these, everybody loves these. Bookmarking vibes. If anything is sold out, bookmark it and just wait for it to come back into stock. That is my best advice to you guys. Let's just go ahead and crack into today's video. This is probably my favorite thing from the whole haul. These joggers, oh my god, these are flipping insane. Like, I love these. They're so soft. I love the oversized 90s joggers from Misguided anyway. They're such good quality and they're so soft. Excuse me. They're really good quality and they're super soft, especially during this time. No one's really going anywhere anyway, but thinking beyond this time, really easy, especially in the summer. This like mint green kind of color with a nude top, throw it on and go. Is this gonna throw off the color? No. Oh my goodness, it's not throwing the color off. Yay. Mint and brown, mint and nude, absolutely love. Oh, of course, leave little snippets of me trying the stuff on this side. I love these, and of course they've got adjustable toggles. I got them in a 10 just because I like them to be oversized and like the rest of my legs. It's a shame that that comes at a compromise of it being like too loose on the waist, but with the toggles you can obviously easily adjust that. Bing bam boom, no problem at all. Absolutely love these. Definitely one of my favorite picks from today's haul. Also a pair of joggers. These I had to get in a large because that was the only size they had left. I really like these because of this. What does it say? Original athletics. That, love these. Good thing about these, the adjustable straps are on the inside. That means that you can adjust them as seen in the cutout. You can adjust them and then just tuck the straps in and you are good to go. You want to adjust them but you don't want the toggles dangling down, so that works really nicely for these. Just a pair of comfortable black joggers. I will say though, these oversized 90s one, the material is really soft and such good quality. These ones don't feel as nice as the 90s one, so if you're gonna get one of the two, get the 90s one. Feels so much nicer on the skin, really like high quality. Next we've got suit trousers. I feel like they did also a tailored trouser. That's it. Tailored trousers, definitely gonna get these tailored. As you can see on the cutout, they are a bit loose around the waist. I got these in an 8. Probably could have gotten away with getting these with 6, but I don't want them to be too tight around the legs. The color is so pretty. It's like a dusty blue, if that's even like a color. I feel like it looks quite purple on camera, but it's definitely more of like a dusty blue. So gorgeous. These with a white crop top in the summer, delicious. I'm surprised how much I really like these when we're finally allowed to travel again. So lush on holiday. Like, I really like the color. I'm really impressed by these. This actually came as a set. It's a Flair trouser and a hoodie. I really got it for the Flair leggings. So comfortable, just again like a run around. It would even go with like this top, not so much the shirt, but this top. Acid wash color. I got a 6, I believe. I wasn't really fussed about the hoodie. So if you were interested in having like the hoodie and the top and the bottom, just obviously be conscious about that. The 6 and the leggings fit me really nicely. I love the way these look. You know, in the summer you just want to put on leggings and a bandeau and sandals and be on your way, be wherever you need to be going. I keep talking about this summer like we're gonna have some sort of summer that I'm gonna be able to do all this stuff. God willing, we have a summer so I can wear everything. Even if we don't, I would easily wear these with a bandeau to do my food shop. Like, I'm okay with that. That is so fine with me. And then I got these leggings. So I wore the green ones the other day. I did try the green ones on, but I did try the black one on. This color is stunning. And the cut out me trying the black ones on. They do have the thing where you can zip up by the ankle. So I just like to keep the zips zipped down, because if not it just looks a bit weird. I'm wondering why I wasn't really feeling the green ones when I wore them the other day, and it's because I had them zipped up. So if you're gonna get these, I would recommend like just keeping them zipped down by the ankle. It just makes so much more sense and looks so much nicer. But this green color is absolutely stunning. As I said, I also got it in the black, just because black leggings, you can't go wrong. This is the detailing at the front. Let me fold it over so you can see. I would definitely say size down. I'm usually an 8 in bottoms. I'm misguided. I'm a 6 in bottoms. These do have a bit of stretch on them, so I would recommend sizing down just to accommodate the fact that they are quite stretchy. Just saves you having to send it back and get a new size and blah blah. And sometimes the size down from your size is available and your size isn't. We'll do these last. I got a couple of these oversized shirts, but we'll finish with those. I got this pretty dress. I really like the colouring of this. The colour is so pretty. I feel like the colour is not even coming on. If I hold it back a little bit, it's a bit more true to colour if I hold it back. The only thing I will say is the tie up is so long, I just ended up wrapping it around my body. But I think this will be a cute little one. Again, it's like giving me more holiday vibes than UK vibes. But I just really like this like marble print. I think it's so pretty. As I said, this is quite long, but I just ended up wrapping it around my body. Detailing in the front is quite different. Having the exposed stomach and like the exposed chest as well. This I got in a 6. Like ruching up the side. I feel like I will probably have to get this like tailored just in the side, just a little, just pinched a little bit so it can fit a bit more boom around the old waist. Fit a bit more like all around the waist. Do you get the vibe? Next I got these 2 shirt dresses. These are so, I really like the print of this, but again, these I'm gonna have to get tailored just because they ended up, I'll leave the little clip cut out there, they ended up fitting just a little bit, not a little bit, like quite loose around the waist. The green one more so. This material for some reason is like different from the white shirt. The white shirt definitely feels a bit more fitted. So if you're gonna go with either, I would say white. White is a classic anyway for summer, and it fits, the material that this is made from fits nicer. This is just so cute though, just like, I just like the print, I like the way it looks. What really stood out to me about these shirts is, shall I say, the sleeves. I love the sleeve detailing on these. Like, literally love, and that's what really sold these shirts for me. But as I said, I'm probably going to get both of them tailored so they can fit a bit more snug around the waist, because my vision for these is for them to fitted as opposed to like super oversized. Just fitted with like some cute sandals, cute little bag, nice hoop earrings, like hair up like this. That's the kind of vision I'm going for these, but I really like them. I got both in a UK 6. 2 other favourites from today's haul. So the mint joggers and also these. These are definitely a standout for me. Love these. Next we've got this. I would describe this colour as like mink. I'm at that age now where I just want to get everything tailored to fit my body, like extra perfect. Obviously when you're buying clothes, they're not making the clothes for you unless it's like a custom piece. So I'm just getting to that age now where I'm like, okay, I would rather get things tailored so they fit my body how I want them to fit my body. And this is one of the things that I'm definitely going to have to get tailored. So I got this in a UK 8. Maybe I should have gotten a 6. Maybe they didn't have a 6 in stock. I don't know. This is so nice. Pinched the back to show you guys the vision of what I have for it. I like the low front. I feel like ruche is very trendy at the moment. Definitely will have to get this tailored though, because it's just not gonna work without being tailored. But I love this. I love the color. I like that this is actually a deep V, because sometimes the V will be like up here and that's just not doing anything for me. So I love that it's like that nice deep V. That's what that looks like. Is it really summer if I don't get a cute black ribbed mini dress? You need a cute black ribbed mini dress in your wardrobe for summer. Because you know those random things where it's like, especially in London, like you'll just wake up on a random day and it's 24 degrees and everyone's like, let's go to the park, boom, simples. Or there's like a last minute games night or a last minute like chilling, simple. It's just something that when you don't really want to think about what you want to do with your outfit, it's just one of those ones that you know that you have a black mini dress that you can throw on. And this is exactly that. This I got in a 6, fits lovely. Really like this actually. Polo vibe is very trendy at the moment. This surprised me. I wasn't expecting to like this as much as I do, and it just fits so snug. Fits on my body like a glove. I love. We're pretty much nearing the end now, so we're going to be talking about the oversized shirt. Summer, again, another staple that you need. This is kind of like a summer essentials video. I feel like all the fashion videos are, but here we go. All of my fashion videos are like essentials based, because I feel like I shop for essentials. Anyways, oversized shirts, you need them. Especially because the summer in London, you will leave your house and it's 30 degrees. By the time you've been out for like 2-3 hours, it's dropped to 10 degrees and all of a sudden you've got no shirt, you've got no jacket, and you're like a little bit nippy. These are nice because you can have them on. They're not, well, this one's actually got a bit of thickness to it, so you can still use it for like this springtime where, I mean, it's raining right now and the weather isn't like incredible, but you can also take it into the summer because our summers don't tend to be that hot. While I'm talking about this, we might as well start with this one. This color as well. This color is everything. I love this color. Also got it in like this baby blue brown color. Like, are you joking? Are you kidding me? I love this. These 2 are my favorite, and again, 2 other favorites from today's haul. I just love this. And you can even wear them on their own. So long enough that I can also get away with wearing it on its own. Same with this one as well. I just love the colouring. I got them both in a UK 10. I always size up with these like oversized shirts because obviously I want them to have a little bit of like bagginess behind them. I just like the comfortable, relaxed fit of them. These are absolutely stunning. Love, love, love these. Really good quality. This blue one particularly, oh no, they both are very soft, like not scratched. Do you know what I hate? I hate clothes that are scratchy. Why? Baby girls are trying to slay and you're here like doing They look like the shirts that I used to thrift when I was at uni. I also got a pink cord one. This one's really nice. This one is so cute. And it's actually a two-tone pink. So this side is a little bit darker, this side is a little bit lighter, but it's kind of subtle. It's more obvious on camera, but I feel like in person it's not dead obvious. But I kind of like it. It gives it a little bit of something different. Oh, this one actually got in a 12. I wonder why I got this one in a 12. Probably because they didn't have a 10. So this one I got in a 12. Now I'm wondering what size I got this one in. You need oversized stuff like this in your wardrobe. You have to. Because if you're wearing like a cute little crop, my uniform is crop top and shorts. That's it, crop top and shorts. I need these kind of pieces to just be able to put on top and be on my way. Still cute, still stylish, but also weather appropriate. Sometimes you have to be weather appropriate. Not always, but small sometimes. This is the last piece, and annoyingly, I don't know what was going through my head when I was trying everything on. I didn't try this one on. This is so annoying. So I haven't actually got a cutout clip for you, but I will insert pictures of the model wearing it. It's actually like a cord. So the top, I got in an 8 because I wanted it to be fitted to some degree. I love this color. It's like a khaki color, but not like a deep khaki, more like a light khaki. Can also double up as like an oversized shirt, but I actually really bought it to wear with as like a cord. Annoyingly, the smallest size they had in this was a 10, so I had to get a 10. But these look like they're gonna be incredible. I'm so sorry I haven't tried these on yet, but I'm very excited about this. I already know I'm gonna have to get this tailored. They're a 10, so I know I'm gonna have to get them tailored, but I just really like the color. Even if I just wore like the denim trousers, a white bralette, and then the top as a oversized shirt, that is also a look. That's a cute little look as well. Brunch, or you know, like a cute little lunch somewhere, or like a dinner with heels, that could definitely be a vibe. I am really looking forward to wearing basically everything. I really love the pieces I picked up for today's haul. I hope you guys did too. This shirt is definitely a standout for me. Also the mint joggers, also a standout. These charcoal leggings I love. The oversized shirts I love. The white shirt, the green like checked shirt dress. There's just a lot of really key standout pieces for me. I hope today's video has helped you. I hope it's going to save you a little bit of money, because obviously then you've seen the pieces on me and you know what you like, you know what you don't like, you know what to do sizing wise as well. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a massive thumbs up. Come and talk to me in the comments. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know your questions, inquiries, anything like that. I'll be in the comment section. I feel like I should have a code. If I have a code, I will leave it on the screen now to save you guys some money. Amazing. If not, all items will be linked down below. I'll try and include sizes as well. If there's anything out of stock, I'll try and find similar items, but that's pretty much everything from me, you guys. I hope you loved today's video. I hope you enjoyed today's haul. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.